Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a pickup whip with an outside underarm pass for guess who? The followers. Okay, so again, this is a pickup whip with an outside underarm pass, okay? So, ladies, you ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. Remember, go upside down, so there's patterns to get out of that. You know what to do. Go to your private lesson style videos to understand how. Here we go. Take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. Notice the fancy footwork that I've got, guys. Yeah. So here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, do not rush that hand going over, gentlemen, and ladies, don't rush to get around. Just take it nice and easy. But again, remember, if you want more information on that, guess what you got to do? Private lesson style videos, because why? This is a quick view. All right, go back, practice, come on back for the next pattern.